Torres drives it, carried away by Troy Perkins. Not done. Moreno on the ball. Torres, left-footed drive, it's headed in into the net. Toux has scored Philadelphia's first ever goal. Nicely done by Arrieta. And now Philadelphia may have a counterattack. Here comes Toux. Toux drives it into the net. Into the net. Philadelphia is up 2-0.
A complimenting forward. Look at this. It's played out under pressure, and that body positioning is outstanding. Then he's got the presence of mind to split the central defense. Full speed, total velocity. Sebastian Toux places at the far post with a big-time goal. Outstanding.
2 goals on the night. Will it be a third?
He's got a great look here either way.
Toux strikes and drives it into the net. Into the net. Number 3 for Toux.
Done everything. He scored with his head at the back post, and now he steps up short and puts. Look at the snapshot right there. He knows what he wants to do. He hits it.